First time that you've seen any of the footage, or had you seen it before?
This is my first time.
I'd seen a little sneak peek of the trailer, but maybe I should start telling people. 'Cause I don't know how I saw it. But the footage itself, no, hadn't seen.
Yeah, no, this is my first time seeing everything. The teaser, everything.
Yeah.
First time.
And?
I was very happy.
I was really happy.
Yeah.
I kept being like, what are they going to show? Yeah, it looks amazing.
And to be in this kind of ensemble where you really are all together most of the film, what was that like for you as a player in the film? Because most of the time you are kind of doing your bits and pieces on your own or with one other person, not so many people.
I've never really had a group experience filming, as in the most has probably been like a day filming with a group of people, but for the most part it's either one or two people, so I found it amazing. And you sort of, and because there's so much admiration for everyone in it, there's a sort of level of trust that you're putting in other people. So you can sort of, for me personally, I sort of just sat back and was like, wow. And you just like, you can just be part of something. You don't have to, it's not like one person's leading it, it's like we're all in it together, so there's just an easiness, an ease of,
True
of us all
ensemble.
being together.
Yeah. I have to ask you, Daisy, because I just got off of the Orient Express with Josh.
Oh, poor you.
What fun that was, let me tell you.
If you could pick anyone, it would be him.
Well, and I guess every castmate wants to really be his bunkmate if they were to travel with him on the Orient Express. If that's still your answer, I don't know.
No,
if
I stick with Judy.
No,
You wanna be
I'm
with
going to
Judi
stick
Dench?
with Collie and Penelope, yeah.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah,
right.
because Penelope's answer was true. You know?
There you
I
go.
appreciate that.
But Josh has been trying to get information out of you about the new Star Wars film, probably during the entire shooting of this film, correct?
Oh, no.
Oh.
Those videos, that was once a week. That was an occurrence. I didn't even know he was a Star Wars fan until he was wearing an AT-AT t-shirt, and I was like, wait, what? Genuinely, I had no idea. He didn't ask me at all.
He didn't ask you at all?
No, except for the videos. Yeah.
So have you given him anything since?
Well, he asked me at a big convention, and I was able to reveal to a room full of, thousands of people, as well as him. So I think it was a good payoff.
Yeah, that was
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
a brilliant
Is there a video?
payoff.
Yeah.
I gotta show.
Oh, yeah.
tell
Well, we'll
me.
be looking. Wait, where's my phone? Let's look it up.
Yeah.
For you, you were influenced by your grandfather to become an actor.
I was. Yeah, I mean, he was like a cinema aficionado, so he was always shooting like short film, just for fun, with the family, all the cousins, and so I got my admiration from that. And he knew about a lot about movies and films, so he taught me a lot, and I think that's where the seed started growing. Yeah.
All right. Well, congratulations to you both on this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you both have so many other incredible things coming up, so good luck with all of that.
Thank you.